Hi friends, let me show you this O-Cedar EasyWring mopping system that we bought. This is the second one we get for our home. It's really easy to use, really convenient. Okay, when you buy it, you get one mopping fabric, the actual base for the fabric, the bucket, and the mopping. Okay, you want to fix it like this. Okay, of course, in the length that you want. Then you screw this one here. There it is. And you put the mopping fabric like this. It's like a triangle, okay? And it goes in this. And that's it. You're ready to use it. You put the water, of course, here. And then you put the mopping fabric here. And you do this with your foot. And the water will go, the excess water will go off. So it is a great system. We use it here basically daily. And we bought another one to help us clean our home. Thank you.